Not you that I do this for. Saturday be that body. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy. Yeah. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The unit that we're going to be installing today is from Myfirstwig. It's a blunt bob that's the perfect everyday bob. It looks so much like our hair. Like, look at this texture. It's the Yaki texture. I've told you guys in the past that that's one of my favorites. The parting space is amazing. It has a pre-plucked hairline that looks very natural and realistic. Their units are made with top quality lace that's going to make for an undetectable lace melt. I'm going to show you all how I'll go about that process. I would recommend that you flat iron the hair. Now, I am going to decide to use the Sally Hansen method because I do want to wear a stocking cap under the unit, but putting it on, I was like, oh my goodness, this unit is going to be so nice. So it does also come with an elastic band. It comes with combs. Now to tint the lace, you just need to turn the unit over and begin spraying the Sally Hansen all over the lace. Be sure to get the color that matches your skin tone. After that, you're just going to want to clean up and it's going to look so fire, guys. Look at that hairline. It looks so good. And y'all, look at how much parting space you get. You get 6 inches of parting space with this particular unit. Now, in order to flatten it out and make sure the hairline is laid, I'm going to be spraying the Sebastian Shaper Plus to the hairline and also on the area that's closest to the parting space. After doing this, I'm just going to go over the area where I sprayed the holding spray using a fine tooth comb. And this is going to make sure everything's nice and smooth and that it looks really sleek. Now, I initially decided to go for a middle part, and I'm going to show you all later that I did switch it. But if you go over it this way and then follow it up with the hot comb, it's going to look so amazing. So now that we've tinted the lace, cut the lace off in the front, and also flat iron the hair, we can begin installing. Now, the method that I've been using lately is to pull the unit forward and then to lift up the lace in the areas where I need to apply the gossipy glue. So I'm just going to do that. I'm using a crocodile clip to make sure the hair is out of the way, and then I'm just going to put the area right beside the ear tabs. I'm going to lift that up and then begin applying the gossipy glue. And I'm not going to apply the gossipy glue over the entire hairline first. I'm going to start with the right side, move over to the middle, and then after I've laid those 2 sections down, I'm going to apply the gossipy glue to the left side and then continue the process.
You're looking pretty in those jeans to your waist, like that girl from the movie we saw last week. And I still can't escape.
Now, when laying it down, in order to get a really nice melt, I'm going to use the same technique that I used in my last video. I'm going to put it down, press the edge with my fingers, and then grabbing my rat tail comb, I'm going to insert the teeth and then use the flat surface area in order to press into the lace. And I'm going to drive the teeth in again. After completing this process, you can begin to put the area where the ear tabs are right behind your ear, and then begin pressing in with the back of the rat tail comb.
The sense of infatuation I can't seem to shake. Got me hung up on you, no, I never felt this way. Hope I still feel the same when I'm 88. 88, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. 88, don't you know what I mean? Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean. Don't you know what I mean? No, know what I mean.
Now, this step is one that many of you all can avoid. Y'all, I have a low hairline and I talk about this all the time. If you do not, then the lace is going to look really natural. It's going to be set. It's going to be melted. It's going to look great the way that it was prior to actually doing the baby hair and the sideburns. The sideburns is something that you can do if you desire them, but the baby hair you can absolutely avoid if you don't have a low hairline. And I wish I didn't sometime, because it would make this process so much easier, guys. But I am going to create baby hair just to cover where the lace is in the areas where it's not fully covered, and then I'll come back on.
88. Things will never be the same. Let's get back to that place. Things will never be the same. Things will never be the same. Let's get back to that place.
Everything's coming together so well. Now we're going to set our work using a satin scarf. I'm just going to wrap that around, allow it to set for about maybe 5-10 minutes, and then remove it. After we've done that, we're pretty much done. If you want to wear the middle part, you can, but I'm going to shift it to a side part. Just as a quick tip, for those who like to have flip over action with their side part, if you lay your unit the way that I did in the beginning in order to create the middle part, and then just comb it over to the side, after creating your side part, then you're going to have that flip over effect, and it's going to look really, really good.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes, you're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand, I'll take care of you.
Y'all cannot tell me this does not look like a fresh silk press. When I straightened my hair the last time, this is how I wanted it to turn out. but I'm not going to try it again unless I go to the salon because I can't get my hair to straight. But this helps to give me that fix of having the look without having to damage my hair. I don't want heat damage, so I'm not going to do it again this year, but it looks so natural. The hairline is so bomb. This unit is only in 130% density. It has a nice medium luster. I love the bounce and the movement, y'all. It looks really, really nice. Trust me, you're gonna be fooling people with this wig, and you can actually get it with a fake scalp. I did not opt for that, but they do have that option on the website. So that's the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed everything that I showed you all, and the tips I shared were helpful. Be sure to check the description box for the link and all the specifications for this unit. I look forward to your feedback. Like, comment, share this video with a friend, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.